These are the diesel engine. This is 14,000 by Honda. Pila ka what? That's the brand. They got 3 diesel engine here. This is the 10 horsepower engine by, what's this? Power. Diesel engine is 10 horsepower, 1780. The same here. Ano sa nga brand? Power? So the brand's name is Power. 10 horsepower diesel engine, but the Honda diesel engine is 14,000 pesos. So the Power is 17,820. They also have air compressor, Houseman air compressor for 1/2 horsepower, 36 liter, 8775. Michelin air compressor, 300 watts, 9975. They got the black one here, Michelin. Wala lagi ni price diga adarega. 10,499.75. This is 1,100 watts by Michelin, so 10,499.75. The Houseman 1/2 36 liter, 8775. Lotus air compressor, 1.5 horsepower, 23,199. The Lotus air compressor, 10 gallons, 150 psi, and that's 17,995. The Houseman air compressor, 1/2 horsepower, 8775. Same with this. They got this vibrator machine by Robin. It's 18,549. They have a compactor by Robbins, that one. 29.7. Blade shaft. That's 43,566. This is compactor by Robin. That's 49,680. So that's the machines that they have in here in City Hardware. For those asking how much is a new mixer, this is a 2-bag mixer. Brand new without the engine is 35,000. So it's a 2-bagger mixer. That's the price. It's our ordinary welding machine inverter. That's 160 amps for 9,950. The 200 amps is 10,950. This one, the small one, arc welder, 140 amps. Yeah, kaniga. 300 amps, 9395. This 200 amps for 7799. This is the arc welder. 200 amps, 9855. 200 amps by Apollo. This is Houseman, the red one, is 7950. This Apollo 300 amps is 10,500. Honda engines. This is 1.5 horsepower, 9,050. 5.5 horsepower is 11,550. And 9 horsepower is 22,500.